Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 12. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our study of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds. We've already explored the merits of each of the 10 wholesome deeds. Today, the Buddha shares a more profound method of practice with us, combining the 10 wholesome deeds with the practice of giving. The Buddha told the Dragon King that if a bodhisattva, while practicing, not only upholds the 10 wholesome ways but also actively practices giving, the benefits will be immense. The dual merits of wholesome deeds and giving. 1. Abandoning killing while also giving. If you refrain from killing and are also generous, you will have abundant wealth that no one can take from you. Your life will be long, you won't die an untimely death, and you will not be harmed by any enemies or thieves. 2. Abandoning stealing while also giving. If you don't steal and are also generous, your wealth will be the greatest, beyond compare. More importantly, you will accumulate the causes and conditions for the Buddha Dharma, laying a solid foundation for your future practice. 3. Abandoning sexual misconduct while also giving. If you abstain from sexual misconduct and also give, your family will be pure and harmonious. Your wife, mother, or any female relatives will not be seen by others with a disrespectful or lustful mind. 4. Abandoning lying while also giving. If you don't lie and are also generous, your wealth will likewise be impossible to steal. You will not suffer from slander and will firmly uphold the true Dharma. The vows you make and the things you do will surely be accomplished. Conversely, if you are in the habit of lying, your wishes and practice will become illusory and difficult to succeed. 5. Abandoning divisive speech while also giving. If you don't speak divisively and also give, your family and friends will live in harmony with shared goals and aspirations, and there will be no arguments. 6. Abandoning harsh speech while also giving. If you don't use harsh language and also give, everyone will be happy to be close to you and will naturally take refuge in and rely on you. Everything you say will be trusted and accepted, with no one rejecting you. 7. Abandoning idle chatter while also giving. If you don't speak meaningless nonsense and also give, every word you say will be full of wisdom and meaning, earning you respect. You will easily be able to help others resolve their doubts. 8. Abandoning greed while also giving. If you are not greedy and also give, your wealth will be unassailable. You will be able to let go of everything and be happy to donate. Your faith and understanding will become incredibly firm and possess great power. 9. Abandoning anger while also giving. If you don't get angry and also give, you will quickly achieve unobstructed wisdom of the mind. Your 6 senses will become dignified and beautiful, and everyone who sees you will feel love and respect for you. 10. Abandoning wrong views while also giving. If you don't hold wrong views and also give, you will always be born into families of correct understanding and sincere faith. You will have the opportunity to see the Buddha, hear the Dharma, and make offerings to the Sangha, and you will never forget the resolve to seek supreme enlightenment. Conclusion. My friends, these are the tremendous benefits a bodhisattva gains by combining the 2 Dharma gates of the 10 wholesome deeds and giving while practicing the bodhisattva path. Thank you for listening.